Hi there, this is Rachel with RRD Creates, and today we'll be making an easy, beginner-friendly embroidery project. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and if you're looking for an easy gift that your significant other might actually wear, stay tuned for how to make a custom embroidered hoodie. I love this idea for a Valentine's Day gift because it's something that I know he'll wear, and it's actually something that has a little bit of sentimentality to it. Here's what you'll need: water-soluble stabilizer, tearaway stabilizer, tailor's chalk, or something similar, a ruler, a hoodie, polo, or t-shirt. I got this Hanes hoodie from Amazon, but you can find great deals at places like Jersey's for buying in bulk if you want to do something like this for your small business. This idea is an easy 4 to 5 minute embroidery time, and it just needs a single color, so you don't have to have the biggest or the fanciest machine to do this. First, we're going to mark for placement. I'm using a white heat-soluble pen that I got from Wawak. It's totally affordable, great way to mark everything, especially on blacks. Next, I'm going to cut the tearaway and the water-soluble stabilizer for the front and the back of the garment. The reason I use both is because on the back side, I just want to make sure there's enough stability to make sure that this doesn't stretch as it's moving. Go ahead and mark the tearaway with the same marks as the garment. You're looking to make sure that you can pinch the layers together and hit the right points on the hoop to make sure the final embroidery is well placed. Sandwich the shirt and the stabilizers in the following order. First, hoop base, next your tearaway, then the shirt, then the water-soluble stabilizer, then the hoop top. Adjust to smooth out any wrinkles and secure by twisting the screw in the hoop base. Take note of the placement of the hoop. The placement ensures that the bulk of my garment is out of the way of the machine when the machine's working. The plan is to make Roman numerals of your anniversary date, Valentine's Day itself, or any other significant time you'd like to commemorate. We were married back in 2018, so I chose that. You may have to fiddle with the right text choice if you have a long date in Roman numerals, or you could also use a pre-made embroidery design and use that in this location. Check the links in my description to save with using digitizing services from zDigitizing with my code RRDOFF. Pay attention to where your design will end up on the garment. In our case, I have to rotate mine to face the correct direction based on how my hoop is in the machine. So I'm rotating it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Your screen will show you a green cross which indicates the center of the design. If you move it, the hoop moves to adjust. Once you're happy with the location, your needle is now hovering over the center of your marked design. So you just have to put the foot down and press the green button for go. And there you have it, a simple, subtle piece of relationship merch for your significant other. I just love how mine turned out with the water soluble on top. Since this is a stretch fabric, I didn't want to take any chances, so the stabilizers helped ensure the design stayed put, and I'm so glad it worked. Check the links in my description for tools and resources that you see in my videos. I hope this easy embroidery project gives you the confidence to keep on creating.